this is Speed Vegas, and these are just all the different cars you can rent, anywhere from $200 to $1,000 for 5 laps. Dad's got his eye on the Ferrari. Looks like it's got some type of is that aftermarket, or is that just the way that it looks? Look at the big brakes on these things, Dad. Huge Ferrari Brembos. Yeah. Little active arrow here.
Down on the
air intake for the engine.
Out of that noise.
Yeah, that's really tight in there. Got a bunch of American muscle. You've got Lamborghini, and then something I really like, this Bayside Blue R35 GT-R. Looks really good. Austin Martin's over here, Audi R8, Acura NSX. Not used to this heat, it's like 111 out. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna do a couple of laps in the drift car. Yeah, thank you very much. That was awesome.
Of course, no worries.
Thanks again, man. Appreciate it. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks a lot, Dad. I appreciate it.
You're more than welcome.
All right, I'm gonna get in my first Lamborghini. I've never sat in one before. This is a Huracán. Oh. Wow, this is pretty crazy. Wow. The instructor's got a gas pedal on the other, or a brake pedal. Well, it's small, like my head is
Yeah,
hit the ceiling.
Go. Wouldn't be just.
Wow, that was a lot of fun. Out of all the cars that you would expect to be drifting in, not a Dodge Charger Hellcat that weighs near 5,000 pounds, but that car handled way better than I expected. It was a blast.
We've never come here.
Check it out. So we decided to do a little bit of sightseeing on the way home. This is 7 Magic Mountains here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And thank you to my mom and dad for taking me to Speed Vegas for my 40th birthday and putting me into the drift car and helping film the event. Finish off today's video, so stay tuned. We're gonna hit the pool party.
Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brushstrokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been dad. When me looking at the bill stack off the bubbly buddy, I been smoke screen from my chest out. Laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you.
So what's up, guys? I am here in Las Vegas area on vacation at my parents' house. Figured I'd share a little bit of their place. This is their pool, which is incredible. They have a resort, like a resort style pool in their backyard. And this morning Dad and I hung up a brand new TV on the wall. So outside we've got a new 86-inch TV which looks pretty spectacular, overlooking the pool, so you can, you know, watch sports if you're in the pool, watch a football game, whatever you're into. But I figured I'll just do a little bit of a walk around.
At first I said that I love you when you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no.
It's pretty cool. You come up, you have like a little 3-inch deep area. You can kind of wait around. You could sit here underneath the nice grass umbrella. And then you have a couple of in-water bar stools here you can swim up to, and you can kind of hang out, have a drink, you know, have a good conversation. And then coming over here, you got a couple of steps down. This is my favorite place to hang out, over to the bar stools here. So you got 4 bar stools that come around to the bar, which we can walk down over here. And this pool is incredible. Like, this is the coolest place to hang out. All right, let's come up here. Let's see. We got some.
Paper ones and see how it looks.
We got Mom. We got Dad. We got Mom and Dad.
And our baby boy.
And the baby. And let's have a drink. We got Father and sunglasses with Mom's glass. Here we go. Cheers, everybody.
Gotta put ammo on mine.
And here we go.
Cheers to our little boy.
To family and long life.
Drink this tequila hot.
Boy, that's warm.
It made it more defined in your throat.
Well, it still goes down easy, but
No,
it's
but
still.
it made it more distinguished.
Yeah.
Did you like it, Mom?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay, good. And you got 4 bar stools down here. You can swim up, you can hang out. You've got this nice huge covered area. So you can turn on the misters, which right up here, everything in the mist. And you can be out of the sun but still be in the water. It's really cool. Dad's got, you know, barbecue out here, beer full of fridge, or fridge full of beer. And then let's come around over here. And if you want to go up to the top and jump off this thing, you can. Bring you guys up there real quick. I'll try not to fall down with my camera. So it's about, that's probably about 9 feet tall, getting up here to the top. So you can see how big this platform is. It's really good size. And then this is the house. Beautiful house. Beautiful neighborhood over here in the desert. Got a nice hammock if you want to sit and chill in the sun. Dad and I like to play ping pong. Otherwise, he's got his little rope that goes down with a bucket. You can keep drinks coming up from the bar. And like I said, this is the fun spot right here. So if you want to have a good time and jump in the pool's about 12 foot deep, so you won't hit the bottom. Dad, how'd that feel?
Video?
Yeah, I had the video going. You got a hot tub over here, which spills into the pool. There's a waterfall that comes down right here, a water slide. And you have an upper waterfall as well, which you can jump off into the pool. Yeah, nice little fire pit sitting area out here. You got the cool hot tub, nice little lounge chair area with the umbrella that comes out. And then like I was saying, the ladder you can get on there. You can climb up and, you know, have yourself a jump off into the pool. But the coolest part is this thing will scare you if you come up at night. You'll think there's an alien trying to get you. But the staircase, you can come up and you could ride the water slide down, which is cool. Or you can step over to here. You can jump off into the pool. Myself, I like to climb up here and jump off of that and do like some cannonballs. But this is just awesome. It's something I thought I would share with you guys. This is what I like to do when I'm on vacation and having fun visiting mom and dad. So, and then coming over off this side of the pool, you can easily step down and into the pool and go for a swim. And then one of the cool parts is when you get the waterfall going, you've got a little cave underneath the waterfall you can kind of hang out in.
Okay.
Here comes Dad. Yeah. How was it, Dad?
That was good. That was good. That was
Do you dry your hands off?
Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
These are great towels. I'll have to show you the ones that we did buy. I'm gonna take
So what's so cool about going to Speed Vegas is like you can do 5 laps. I think the car's anywhere from $200 to $1,000, but the drift was only $100, and it's like 1 3/4 laps. And it's a fun experience. It wasn't too expensive to break the bank, and I had a lot of fun. Got a good adrenaline rush, adrenaline boost, and yeah, I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. But you guys leave me some comments down below if you like this type of content. Consider subscribing to the channel. I wanted to just do a little kind of a vacation vlog and kind of share a little bit of my trip and some car enthusiast stuff and kind of a little everything. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a good one. Bye.